Hi! In front of me is Microsoft Surface Pro 7 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and clicking on System section at the top. Following that, select Display and click on this little icon right next to Brightness slider. Now you need to click on this white square next to Change Brightness automatically when lighting changes. And if it's blue, that means that auto brightness is enabled. In order to disable it, click on the same, now blue square with a check mark. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!